Okay, so look, in my last class we have discussed this few MCQ type questions from the first chapter, means the chapter number 1, relations and function. Today we'll discuss few more MCQ type question from the second chapter, means the inverse trigonometry function. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the first, very good afternoon, Payal, Orpita. Okay, so the first question is, find the principal value of sine inverse of and the options are pi by 3, minus pi by 3, 5 pi by 6, and D minus pi by 6. This is a sine inverse minus half. Okay, so what will be the principal value of sine inverse minus half? Tell me the answer. The principal value of sine inverse minus half. Okay, one is said, Bhaswar is said D. Okay, let's see what the other student is saying. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The principal value of sine inverse minus half. Anyone? Payal, Orpita. D. Yes, answer will be D. Why it is D? Now look, if I consider y equal to sine inverse half, sine inverse minus half, that means sine y is equal to minus half, sine y equal to minus half, and minus half we can write minus half as sine pi by 6. That means sine y can be written in the form sine minus 5 by 6, and as we know that the domain of sine inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so the value of y must be belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so value of y will be here minus pi by 6. So option D is the correct one. D is the correct options. Okay, now the second question. A second question is, I'm rubbing this one. Okay, the second question is tan inverse of sine minus pi by 2. The value of this is equal to minus 1, plus 1, pi by 2, and D minus pi by 2, minus pi by 4. So what will be the correct answer? The value of tan inverse sine minus pi by 2, D. Okay, the answer will be D. Okay, let's see how. Now look, it is tan inverse. Now look, we can write sine inverse of minus pi by 2. We know that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So if I apply this, so it will be minus sine pi by 2, and we know that the value of sine pi by 2 is 1. So tan inverse minus 1. Okay, that means the value is tan inverse tan of minus pi by 4. That means minus 5/4, because the domain of tan is the same as sine. Okay, now the next question. The next question is uh, sec of tan inverse y by 3. What is the value of this? Uh, this type of question will come in. A type of the questions will be like this, but not necessary that this question will become. Means what I am doing here, this question may become or may not become. Just I am discussing the type of the questions. Okay, Arpita? Now write the options. Option A is 9 root over of 9 plus y square by 3. Option B is 9 plus root over of 9 plus y square by 9. Option C is 3 by root over of 9 plus y square, and option D is 9 by root over of 9 plus y square. Now tell me, what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Option C. Option C is no, not C. Okay, let's see how we can solve this one. Look, we know a formula that sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. That means sec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so we can represent sec theta in term of tan theta. The sec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus tan square theta. Now if I apply this formula here, so this sec theta can be written in the form that under root over of 1 plus tan square theta, and here theta means this term. This is the theta. So tan square tan inverse y by 3. See, can we write this one? Tell me once. Can we put this sec theta in that form? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, now I am doing one thing. Square of whole. Now look, tan of tan inverse. We know tan of tan inverse. Tan of tan inverse theta, that is equal to only theta. Okay, so here from here we can write root over of 1 plus this is y by 3 whole square. Okay, now if I just calculate it, so 9 plus y square under root over of by root over of 9, that is equal to 3. So our correct option is A, root over of 9 plus y square by 3. Yes, correct answer is A. Very good. Okay, the next question. Okay, the next question is okay, 4. If tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by root over of 2, then the value of x is equal to option A. Option A, it is 1. Option B, -1. option C pi by 3, option D none of this. Tell me what will be the value of x. Option A will be the options. Okay, let's see what the A will be the option. Okay, let's see. Okay, so look here, it is given that the tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by root over of 2, and we know that 1 by 2 is actually sine pi by 4. 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2 is sine pi by 4. So this is actually sine inverse sine pi by 4, which implies tan inverse x is equal to a pi by 4. So tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4. That means x equal to tan of pi by 4, and which is equal to 1. That means our correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. Okay, now next question. Okay, the next question is, okay, tan inverse root over of 3 minus cot inverse root over of 3 cot inverse root over minus 3 is equal to oh sorry, this type of question is not in your. Okay, I'm just just erasing the questions. Okay, I'm giving you another questions. Okay, okay, tell me the restricted domain of sine inverse x. Tell me the restricted domain of sine inverse x. Will I give the options? I don't think that you need the option for this question. The restricted domain of this. Yes, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and close interval in the third bracket. Yes. Okay, now next question. The next question is, find the value of sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3, and the options are 2 pi by 3, B pi by 6, C 4 pi by 3, and D is pi by 3. A 2 pi by 3. Bhaswar is saying it will be option A. Anyone like to oppose his answer? Pi by 3. Very good. The answer will be pi by 3. Vasudev, why not it will be 2 pi by 3? Because look, the value of sine inverse x is lying between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi by minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Means from minus 90 to plus 90. Okay, but this value is not lying between here. So that will be not be the correct value. The correct value will be pi by 3. Very good. Okay, the next question. The next question is, the principal value of the principal value of a sine inverse root 3 by 2 is, and the options are A 2 pi by 3, B pi by 6, C pi by 4, and D pi by 3. The principal value of sine inverse root 3 by 2. Yes, very good. The answer will be D. Principal value of sine inverse root 3 by 2 is D. Okay, a very easy question. I am not solving it. Okay, the next question is find the principal value of of cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. Find the principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by root 2, and the options are A 3 pi by 4, B 5 pi by 4, C minus pi by 4, and D none of this. Tell me the answer. No, Bhaswati, it is not pi by 4. It will be 3 pi by 4. Yes, 3 pi by 4. It will be 3 pi by 4. Okay? Okay, now the next question. Next question is okay, if y is equal to sec inverse x, then the value of y is A 0 less equal to I less equal to pi, option B 0 less equal to y less equal to pi by 2, option C minus pi by 2 less equal to y less equal to pi by 2, and option D, it is none of this. Tell me what will be the answer. Option D, very good. Option D, very good. Because y equal to sec inverse x, and we know that the principal domain of sec inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus, sorry, restricted domains of sec inverse x is 0 to pi by 0 to pi except this pi by 2 point, means at, yes, first bracket, it will be first bracket. Okay, and next question is okay, one more question, and that will be the last question for today. Okay, our next question is find the principal value of tan inverse minus 1. Quick, find the principal value of tan inverse minus 1. Do you need the options? Find the principal value of tan inverse minus 1. It's very good. It is minus pi by 4. Good. Minus pi by 4. Okay, and okay, now find the principal value of cosec inverse minus 2. Cosec inverse minus 2. Find the principal value of cosec inverse minus 2, and the options are: A is minus 2 pi by 3, B is pi by 6, C is 2 pi by 3, and option D is none of this. The principal value of a cosec inverse minus 2. 2 pi by 3. Yes, very good. Now it is correct. Now it is correct, Fastoti. Yes, option will be D. None of this. None of this. Okay, so today up to this much. Next day we'll solve few more question from this exercise or the next exercise. Now we will only revise MCQ type questions based on your coming examinations. Okay, so for today, bye. Okay.